The AI shortcut myth. AI doesn't make you money. The strategy does. See, most advice going around right now, it's use AI, generate a book, upload it, count your profits. But that's not how it actually works. Because if it was that easy, guess what? Everybody would be doing it and making tons of money, but that's not the case. You need an actual strategy, and using AI without one is why you're not making any money. AI is a tool, first and foremost, and a tool still needs to be used properly in order to get the desired results. AI has lowered the barrier of entry so that almost anybody can publish a book on Amazon and have the potential to make some incredible income with it. But that doesn't take away that you still need to validate your topic. You still need to position your book. You still need editing, reviews, ads, and optimization. Those things are all still there. AI is not taking that away. So yes, we can use AI to write the books, but we can't use AI to make us the money on Amazon. There's still the fundamentals that were there back in 2016 when I started are the same fundamentals today that still make people money. Those haven't changed. And that's what a lot of people are misunderstanding when they hear, just use ChatGPT to write a book and publish it on Amazon and make money. Oh, hold on there, princess. There's still a lot of other things that we have to do in order for that money to start flowing. AI is leverage. It is not a business model. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day one is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day two, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day three, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.